Hi, I'm Kevin from Tentworld, and today I'm going to show you a great product from Cedar Summit with some help from my old mate Chewy here. So what I'm going to show you today is the Cedar Summit X bowl. This is a really compact little bowl which you can take with you for hiking, and as you can see I'm a bit of a kayaker, so it's great for taking kayaking too. It only weighs 80 grams, but it holds 650 ml. It's also got some great measurements on the inside if you need to measure out things, and you can actually hold the flexible sides to do some pouring. Now these flexible sides are made from food grade silicone, and it's all attached to a cut resistant base. So we're going to show you a few of the features of this now. Now one of the great benefits of these bowls is they've got this cut resistant base, so when we go kayaking, and Chewy likes to come along too when it's a nice day, we need to bring some food for him. Now Chewy loves bananas, so with the base here you can pop it down on any sort of surface. You can cut a little bit of banana off. So cut a little bit off. Sit, Chewy, sit. There you go, Chewy loves his banana. So another treat I've got here for him is I've got a bit of carrot. So carrot's a bit harder to chop, but this is another one of Chewy's treats. See, carrot? So he loves carrot. So on the base, there you go, he loves his carrot. When he's finished eating, we can tip it over. Easy for us, we can drink out of a bottle, but for us, for Chewy, pop it in the bowl, and he has his drink of water out of it. So it's a great product to take with you. When you're finished with it, you can just tip it out, clip it up, pop it back in your kayak, and off you go. So these come in a great range. You can get plates which have the bigger cut resistant base, you've got your bowls, you've also got mugs which are in a couple of different sizes. So they're in a great range of colours, nice and bright colours. These are all available at Tentworld, so drop into one of our stores and see one of our staff, or go to tentworld.com.au to buy online. See you next time.